My daughter, don't just follow your heart. Let God lead your heart.
Grok AI is now free. You can freely use it without paying a penny. So Grok is used to create videos, but not too long we realized that the free plan is no more. But now I'm going to show you how you can use Grok to create your videos just for free. So first of all, you just need to download this app here. Okay, it is called GenV. So you download the GenV app. When you download, you open it with your Gmail, and the interface will be something like this. So let's say you want to create your video with Grok. You just go here, you see this side, you click here, and you will see XAI Grok. When you click the drop down arrow, you will see other video generation AI tools. So we have Grok here. So you click on Grok and you choose your aspect ratio, either 9 by 16, 16 by 9, or the square 1 by 1. So let's go for 9 by 16. Then you close it up here. So you see the settings will be active here. Now you click here to enter your prompt, describe the content you want to create. So let's say a woman, okay, let's say an African mother advising her daughter and saying, so let's put what the woman is saying in that quotation mark, saying, my daughter, don't just follow your heart. Let God lead your heart. Okay, so let's add something like under a tree okay, so I think we can end here and let's see what Grok will do. Now all that is required in using this free Grok AI is to just watch an ad. So when you click on this ad, you will see an advert or pop up, and after watching the advert you have your video created. Okay, so let's now click on the create. Now let's see our video is generating. I think in just 1 minute or 2 we have our video ready. Okay, so to download the video, just click on the download here, and when you click on it, you are not going to pay any money. You just watch an advert and you have your video downloaded into your gallery. So let's download it. You see watch ad. Now let's see, you see video saved to gallery. Okay, so let's go to our gallery and see. To our gallery, you see this is the video.
My daughter, don't just follow your heart. Let God lead your heart.
Wow, so this is how you use Grok to create video for free. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more.